Let's look at the 3 hidden secrets of money that only the rich know about. Number 3, have plenty of liquidity. Liquidity is essentially how quickly an asset can be converted into cash without losing its value. For example, investments like stocks and bonds are considered to be highly liquid because they can be sold relatively quickly and without incurring a loss. On the other hand, assets like real estate or precious metals are considered to be less liquid because they can take longer to sell and may incur a loss in value during the sale. In general, liquidity is important because it allows investors to access their cash when they need it, without having to worry about losing money in the process. The rich know that having liquidity is important for a number of reasons. First, it provides opportunities to take advantage of unforeseen circumstances. For example, if you have cash on hand, you can quickly invest in a new business venture or take advantage of a stock market dip. Second, liquidity gives you the flexibility to weather financial storms. If your income suddenly drops or expenses rise, you can draw on your liquid assets to maintain your lifestyle. Third, liquidity provides peace of mind. Knowing that you have the resources to handle any situation that comes up can help you relax and enjoy your life. In sum, the rich know that having liquidity is essential for maintaining their wealth and well-being. Number 2, you probably won't get rich off of your salary alone. The majority of people will never become rich simply by working at a 9-to-5 job. In order to amass wealth, it's important to generate multiple streams of passive income. This way, your money will be working for you instead of you working for your money. For example, the rich often invest in real estate or buy shares in successful businesses. These investments provide a steady stream of income that can grow over time. While it may take some effort to get started, generating multiple sources of passive income is one of the best ways to achieve financial security. There are many ways to build up multiple streams of passive income. One way is to invest in real estate. You can purchase rental properties and receive rental income each month without having to do any work. Another way to generate passive income is to invest in stocks and mutual funds. You can set up a brokerage account and have the dividends and capital gains automatically reinvested. Finally, you can start a business and put systems into place so that it runs itself with minimal input from you. This can include an online store, a subscription service, or even a blog. By diversifying your sources of income, you can ensure that you always have money coming in, even if one stream dries up. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, use other people's money. One of the key secrets to building wealth is to leverage other people's money. Trading time for dollars is a losing proposition, so it's essential to find ways to use other people's money to increase your own wealth. Whether you're starting a business and need to raise funds, or you're flipping real estate for a profit, getting other people to invest in your venture can greatly increase your return. Of course, this approach is also riskier than relying on your own funds. However, if done correctly, leveraging other people's money is a proven formula for building wealth. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.